for the countless opportunities for growth, learning, and transformation that have shaped our community into a beacon of excellence and compassion.
Bless us, future business leaders, that we may build businesses whose goals are not only to succeed, but also to uplift and serve our communities. Instill in us a sense of responsibility and stewardship. As a reminder that true success is measured not just by profit, but by the positive change we bring to society.
Bless us, future accountants, that we be instilled with a strong sense of integrity, ethics in difficult situations, always upholding the highest standards of honesty and professionalism in our work, knowing that we are accountable to you above all.
Bless us, startup entrepreneurs, that we may be granted guidance and wisdom to make creative decisions, to see opportunities where others see obstacles, and to overcome them with faith and courage.
Bless us, future hospitality professionals, that we may be blessed with skills and knowledge needed to excel in our roles as professionals. And help us to cultivate excellence and compassion in all our endeavors in the hospitality industry, enriching the experiences of those we serve.
Bless us, future tourism professionals, that we may do our work excellently and with empathy, enriching the experiences of travelers, visiting the Philippines, and fostering positive connections with people exploring different parts of the world.
Bless us, future psychologists, that we may be guided and strengthened in navigating the complexities of the human mind with grace and wisdom. Sustain our compassion to give the highest quality of service to human capital management and those with special needs.
Bless us, future IT professionals, that we may be steered towards the right direction to help us to stay current with the latest technologies and trends. Help us espouse to the responsible and ethical exploration of the digital world, and guide us in using technology for the greater good.
Bless us, future nutritionists and dietitians, that we may understand the intricacies of nutrition and its impact on the body, mind, and spirit, and use this knowledge to guide others towards healthier lifestyle and habits, and to see us as instruments of your healing and restoration.
Bless us, future nurses, that we may be filled with a deep desire to care for others. Grant us, Lord, the wisdom and knowledge to excel in our future practices. Help us to cultivate a spirit of empathy and understanding, always seeking to provide comfort and healing to those who are suffering. Help us to navigate the challenges and complexities of nursing in different environments with grace and wisdom.
We thank you for your guidance and blessings throughout our academic journey. We lift to you the entire Titana community, our teaching and non-teaching personnel, administrators, officers, and our alumni. Bless each member of our community, Lord, for their dedication and hard work in nurturing and guiding students from entry to graduation. May they continue to be beacons of wisdom, compassion, and knowledge in the lives of those they serve.